Let's get started with stretching. Open your hips in the lizard pose and twist. Remain in each position for about 20 seconds and then change legs. Improve flexibility and range of motion by stretching your hamstrings. Today's strength part is 5x5 dumbbell presses. Stand hip width and keep the elbows slightly in front of your body. Dip straight down, extend hips and legs rapidly and press. Today's workout is 5 rounds of 1 minute rowing, 20 dumbbell front rack lunges and 10 dumbbell snatches. While rowing, keep your back straight, your core engaged and the balls of your feet firmly in the straps. First push back with the lower body, then pull the hands towards the chest. Hold the dumbbells in the front rack position at the shoulders, while one leg at a time steps forward. Lower the torso until the back knee touches the ground. The repetition is complete at full hip and knee extension. For the power snatch, start with the dumbbell on the ground. Maintain the lumbar curve and keep the heels down and the arms straight until hips and legs extend rapidly. Shrug with the shoulder and pull under with the arm. Finally, for the core and cooling down, let's do heel raises over the dumbbell. 3, 2, 1, go!